A rising understanding of the ability to alter food or diet to enhance health and lower the risk of diet-related disorders is what has sparked interest in nutrigenomics. It is a developing field that combines the fields of bioinformatics, nutrition, molecular biology, genomics, epidemiology, and molecular medicine to reveal the effects of diet on gene expression. The emerging field of nutrigenomics tells us what particular meals communicate to our genes. Your body's genetic instructions are directly influenced by what you eat. All the chemicals that make up your metabolism are in turn controlled by these messages, including the ones that instruct your body whether to burn or retain calories. By matching each person's genetic profile to the best diet and nutrient recommendation, nutrigenomics seeks to reduce their chance of developing the disease as a whole. Despite the fact there is still much to learn, the current results are encouraging. 13 distinct vitamin groups are known. Vitamins are little nutrients that have a big impact on energy production, blood glucose levels, brain function, and overall health. The vitamin B family, which has 8 subtypes, is the largest vitamin group. The impact of vitamins on the body may vary depending on a person's genetic makeup. Vitamin uptake, use, and elimination are all influenced by genes. Vitamin deficiencies and low availability have been linked to specific SNPs. Some vitamins, like vitamin D and K2, can be produced by the body. The majority of other vitamins, however, must be obtained from our diet. Now, let's see how different nutrients affect our bodies. Vitamin A. Retinol, retinoic acid, provitamin A, and retinol, which is the active form of vitamin A, are all included. Carotenoids. Vitamin A is essential for the development of hormones, a healthy immune system, and healthy skin, teeth, eyes, and bones. The roles of these vitamins play are varied. The following are some reasons why vitamin A is crucial. First and foremost is vision. In order for the thyroid hormones T3 and T4 to interact with RXR and RAR receptors, vitamin A is required. Controlling blood sugar levels and releasing insulin, defense mechanisms, creating new connections in the brain, forming memories, and learning, neuroplasticity and long-term potentiation, and promoting a circadian rhythm that can assist in lowering oxidative stress and inflammation. Vitamin A deficiency is the most frequent worldwide contribution to preventable child blindness. However, excess vitamin A can lower bone density because it inhibits the absorption of other vitamins, including vitamin D and K2. Vitamin B. The B vitamin consists of 8 water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins are crucial for proper brain function and play a part in the body's energy system. They are essential for maintaining energy levels, memory, mood, the generation of neurotransmitters, and the functioning and repair of proteins. Little clinical research has been conducted, particularly in relation to MTHFR mutations, to investigate the causes and benefits of vitamins B9 and B12. In order to maintain the optimal function of cellular proteins, vitamin B9 aids in the production and repair of DNA and amino acids. It may also help cells heal after being damaged, according to scientists. Overall, it is believed that folate is good for red blood cell synthesis, antioxidant and immunological defense, brain health, mood and cognitive function, as well as fetal health in expectant women. Cobalamin, another name for vitamin B12, is essential for the body's production of DNA, red blood cells, energy, and brain cell insulation. Vitamin B12 may be beneficial for skin health, brain and nerve health, cognitive function, low mood, improving sleeping patterns, preventing megaloblastic anemia, reducing inflammation, and pain alleviation. Vitamin K. The group of fat-soluble vitamins, collectively referred to as vitamin K, includes phylloquinone, popularly known as vitamin K1, and menaquinone, also known as vitamin K2. Vitamin K1, which is thought to account for about 75% of vitamin K taken by most individuals, is typically far more prevalent in our diet. Plants, such as green leafy vegetables, contain vitamin K1. Our gut bacteria use vitamin K1 to make vitamin K2 in our bodies. Since plants are unable to produce vitamin K2, animal products, such as meat, butter, lard, and egg yolk, are the primary dietary sources. Vitamin K2 may have an impact on blood vessels, bone health, and cognition. while vitamin K1 aids in blood clotting. Osteoporosis and a higher risk of bone fractures have been associated with vitamin K insufficiency. Additionally, a lack of vitamin K may lengthen the time it takes for blood to coagulate, increasing the risk of bleeding. A healthy diet and enough nutrition are essential components of life and are crucial in preventing disease. Nutrigenomics is not a brand new idea, and it is frequently linked to inborn errors of metabolism, which are uncommon genetic, inherited illnesses, in which the body has trouble correctly converting food into energy. These illnesses are linked to the inadequate availability of cofactors or metabolic enzymes as a result of gene mutation. Restricted diets are typically the key to curing these disorders. Currently, among the various human populations of the world, non-communicable diseases, NCDs, such as cancer, diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disorders outweigh other illnesses. The sudden changes in eating habits and lifestyles that occurred following the Industrial Revolution are the primary cause of many NCDs. Mother Nature gave humans nearly identical genetic makeup, but only a 0.1% genetic difference distinguishes one person from another in terms of phenotype, individual vulnerability to sickness or health, and distinct response to nutrition. It's interesting to note that while for some people the same diet may be advantageous, for others it may be a risk issue. Additionally, while some diets operate as potential disease inducers, others may control genes to aid in maintaining health. Therefore, tailored nutrition and diet recommendations can be developed based on knowledge of each person's nutritional needs, nutritional status, and genotype to maintain the balance between health and disease and provide a good life. Everyone should place a high value on their health because it is their most valuable asset.